Okay, so I picked up this 2002 Pontiac Grand Am SE Coupe, and couldn't figure out how to open the trunk, the back seats for the trunk, you know. And I was Googling, couldn't find anything, So thought I'd make this video. So you open your back trunk, and everywhere I read online it said behind the speakers there's a little thing, but no, there's definitely nothing to pull behind the speakers. But right here, most obvious spot, I feel like a lot of people miss this because I've seen it on the forums and stuff. Just right here, you pull these like that, and you just push them forward. That's all you do. It's that simple. Took me 2 days. Sounds kind of ridiculous, but I feel like somebody else might want to know this, so I thought I'd record it. Anyways, later.